44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dog the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dog the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. 44 gang, what's going on, man? It's your boy Hemi44 back with another banger, man. I just want to say this. Please don't skip past this part. I'm finna ask y'all a very important question, and I need everybody to begin to comment and answer this right now. Before I ask that question, I gotta shout out my, subscribe to the family channel, M&B Hustle. Also go to Hemiwife44.com and get your merch, man. But I'm not gonna show y'all the car right now because I got stuff done that y'all gonna see in the video. But I will show y'all at the end of the video. I'll show y'all a look of it now because it's clean now. You know what I mean? And you'll just get a better look at it. Question I was gonna ask y'all though. This is what me and Hemiwife was thinking. This is gonna really be surprising me, y'all, that I'm thinking of this. I just shout out to my boy Josh Laurent, man. Me and him kicked it on Sunday, and we had some we you know what I'm saying, we made some content for y'all that y'all gonna see we got coming up. But you know what I'm saying? We chopped it up about some stuff, and I had an idea that I seen him do, but I had already had this idea, you know what I mean? After I seen him do it, I was like, that ain't no bad idea. Or really, before he did it, I had thought about it, but I was kind of nervous to do it, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, but I seen it turn out good for him, so I'm thinking about trying it, and I need y'all honest opinion. This is the question. Who would be interested in owning this car? Hold on, let me turn it around. I'm just gonna leave it right here so I don't, you know what I'm saying? So I don't show y'all the rap or nothing like that. But who would be interested in owning this car, man? You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know, because I am thinking about doing a raffle on this car. Raffling it off to somebody as is, rim, system, everything, man. As is, man. So if y'all interested in that, man, y'all get in the comments yes or no. I don't have the ticket prices just yet, but I will come up with all that. And yeah, I'm gonna make it real interesting, man. I mean, I'm gonna give y'all everything. Y'all get the 4Gs, you understand me? Y'all get the 4Gs. Y'all get the bang, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna get the bang. So y'all let me know if that's something y'all be interested in, because I'm really thinking about doing that. Now that the Widebody kit is on here, this thing is even more pressing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really thinking about wrapping it off. And yeah, man, so y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know if y'all be feeling it or not. Yeah, so, well, not if you're feeling it or not, but if you were into the giveaway, you know what I mean? Yeah, with that being said, we finna get right into the video. Y'all make sure y'all get in the comments though. We finna get right into the video, man. Yes, sir. 44 gang, man. Another, you know what I'm saying? We still same clothes, you know what I'm saying? We knocking them out. But now it is, Friday night, man. I missed all the events, man, because we just touched back down in Dallas. It's like 9, almost 10 something right now. And we just touched back down, you know what I'm saying? So on the way back, Hemiwife had issues with her car. She thought she had a blowout, so, you know what I'm saying, we had to pull over and stop. Turned out it was just the back tires are so bad in the rain, it was like sliding. So we gotta get some more tires Monday. Now with my car, I don't know if I should go. This is what, well, I'll tell y'all about that later. I'm gonna do another video on that. This is about, we at the wrap shop, you know what I'm saying? I just pulled up. Jay, you understand me? Finna get some stuff done. He wanted to touch up before tomorrow's show, so we finna get some stuff done. Now, I don't know what he finna do to it, but he finna add some stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, sir. That Widebody, you understand me? Widebody thing is, yes, sir. Ryan, where? Yeah, I can't slide nowhere. Oh, he? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? He wanted me to bring it through, to touch it up.
I can make some orange for it.
Some orange. Hey, I was gonna ask you to make me one of these, man. I don't even know if you.
Oh, like a little banner?
Yeah. I meant to text it. That's a 38 by 5. I had wanted it in like trim in this color. You know what I'm saying? But and then I kind of wanted it, you know how instead of it being straight, like kind of bend it so it'll be straight on the
That's
front.
usually what I do. I bend it upwards so that
My Daytona thing, man, we rode all the way from, rode all the way from Houston, literally like this. Like, I sat and watched Jay pull this off. It was just like this. It was sitting there like this. Just like that. Jay came over here and did this, and it came off. They made it all the way from Houston. That's love. You know what I'm saying? They love each other. That's why I made sure I took it off. I had to take it off my other bumper. It can't be parted, man. You understand me? She gotta be on the car. But Jay wanted me to bring it, man. We're gonna see what he gonna do. We're gonna see what he gonna do to it. I don't know. He don't have no more of this color. That's the thing. He don't have no more of this right here. So I don't know.
You know why it looks off? Because you can see the green inside the barrel.
What color should I put on?
So
Y'all,
like the face is green.
y'all let me know.
No, the face
Color
is
should I put
purple.
on? Color should I add? Should I add some
And then
chrome?
it goes all the way in.
Think I should add that chrome, right?
What else? What's the other choice?
You got the light blue,
I had the light blue. They got better with stuff.
the dark green, or the other green in there.
I don't know how chrome will look with that. But that light blue
Yeah. I can put some of this, same on your girl's car. That'll work with your colors. I got that blue and gloss too.
like that nigga right there. Hold on, bro.
I'm on.
Got trying to block it.
Here, grab a few of those. Let's hold them
Okay.
on the car.
We're gonna block it, but
Get that out of here.
we're going in, bro.
Get out of here, man. So, man, we finna. Is he finna add some little touches, man?
No time wasted. Straight from Houston.
Right. Straight, I ain't been home, man. I ain't been home since, 6 this morning? I had not been home. So I gotta go home, get a little rest, get up, try to wash my car. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling what he finna go and throw on here, man. Y'all gotta wait and see, but. Oh yeah, man. Just add some quick little touches. Quick little touches, man. Just to make it pop out a little more. You know what I'm saying? He gonna come on around, but it just add a little something different to it. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. Get in the comments. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling it. Widebody kit though. How y'all feeling it? Y'all let me know, man. What I'm surprised about, I don't have no bugs on the front of my car. That's what I was afraid of.
Probably because of the weather. The bugs are now.
Oh yeah. Like it's not one, and I'm glad about that because I was worried about that. Let me show y'all this look right here. This looks so pressing. That's so pressing. Boy, that's crazy. That front look man, that make that thing look beefy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And look, you know what I'm saying? Accents.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Do the same thing on that back section right there, and the same thing on the back bumper.
Once I wash my car and my rims and all that, everything will match up.
Right now it looks good, but once it's all cleaned up and ready
Right.
to show whatever it is.
Yes, sir. It's a man with the plan right there. This thing hurt nice. What year is this right here?
This is a 2018.
This thing, nice.
It's crazy because all the way from 2015 to like 2019, there was almost identical.
Yeah.
Really. Interior, exterior, you almost can't tell the difference.
That's how the charges are. That's how the charges are. From 2015 all the way to 2020, 2021, really.
Yeah, the same thing.
Yeah.
Except I think the screen's got a little nicer. And
The screens.
They literally look the same.
But the 2022, which I'm glad I waited now. A lot of people had, when you gonna get a haircut, and this is another thing that was in the back of my mind. I was waiting for a new body style too. 2022, they have a new body style.
Oh, they're doing, it's not just a facelift, they're doing an actual body.
Yeah, that's what I heard. They doing an actual new body style. And it's gonna get the 10-inch screen. The 10-inch radio like the Durangos got.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, I'm glad I did wait and just go and do this wide body. Like I say, people feel like, oh, well, you got the wide body kid. You should have just went and bought a haircut. This ain't stopping me from getting a haircut. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not stopping me from getting a haircut. Ain't nothing changed. Like, my car note didn't go up on this to keep me from making payments on whatever other car I get. Like, this ain't stopping me from getting a haircut. You know what I'm saying? So, this ain't stopping me from buying another car, period. You know what I'm saying? It's just something I wanted. So that's what I did. Look. What y'all think, man? Y'all think it add a little pop to it? Add a little pop to it or what? What y'all think? A little pop or what?
Yeah, that turned out pretty dope.
Mm-hmm. Like I say, once I at least get clean, once it get washed, bro, you'll see. I actually like it.
It goes right into shape.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna do this side, then I'm gonna get to the house. Doors open at 10 a.m. I ain't even been home. I came straight here. And then I gotta drive 40 minutes.
I just flew in my girl from Houston, swear to God.
Yeah.
Right now she just came too.
I gotta leave here, go back 40 minutes in that direction again. Appreciate it.
I started one more, swear to God.
Yeah.
He knows I'm bipolar with cars.
That's his wide body kit and everything right there.
Oh, yeah?
Carbon fiber diffuser right
Yeah.
there.
Well, tell him what I told you today.
You say,
I want to get rid of
it's
him.
like I want a CR1.
Oh, man.
Crazy, bro. We already put a deposit for his pro charger and everything.
Yeah.
You got water. You get bored fast.
Yeah. Yeah, I know a lot of people like that. I'm like that too, to be honest. I'm like that too.
So it makes a big difference. Factory kit.
Yep. And what's crazy, I gotta go home and edit the video. Wow. Gotta go home and edit. That's crazy. I don't even feel like doing it, but that's the life of being a YouTuber, man. Gotta go home and edit. Probably won't be asleep till 2. Gotta get up at about 6. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's the life. I actually like that, man. Actually looking good to me.
I think I'm gonna add some black to the edge.
Okay.
But yeah, it's looking good though.
Sure. Oh, that's what I was gonna ask you. I knew I ain't want to forget this. Can you put some right here on the diffuser? You know I got a diffuser back here. Like either that blue or that going down right there.
Yeah, I can. To be honest with you, I'm not a fan of that look.
You ain't a fan?
But I'll do it if you want it.
I wouldn't mind seeing how it look.
Because they're so bulky. Because they're so big.
Yeah.
It's a little tacky in my opinion. But, like I said, you know, there's no right and wrong. Everybody's got their taste.
Right. I mean, I wouldn't mind seeing how it look on her. Because I've seen some that I don't like, but at the same time, I seen some I did.
Okay.
So it may just depend on the color, or I'm not sure. So I told him to try that, but I don't like that, man. I'm not a fan of that at all. I'm not a fan of that. Yeah, take that off there.
I already knew, oh shit. painted this?
Add the black right here. I don't like that. I like this though. Add the black on the end and make it kind of look more complete. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. More complete on there.
Is that primer on that black? The black part there?
Paint.
It's coming right off.
Huh?
It's coming right off.
For real?
Yeah, it came right off at the bottom.
Oh no.
Some of it, not the whole thing.
I'm gonna take it back to the paint. I gotta take this car back to the paint shop so they can blend it anyway.
The sides are these.
Oh yeah. I guess it is. He didn't. That probably was primer. He probably didn't paint it all the way.
It looks like primer, but it could just be matte black paint.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's been a long day. I've been here since 10 in the morning. You want to go ahead and pull this car out?
Yeah. Yes, sir. So, like I said, man, it look a lot better clean. Y'all can barely see because it's in the garage. I'm sure y'all done seen it on other people's channels, man. It's just little small stuff that you add. You just add little small stuff that make it look better. Like, oh, that's dirty. Look at it. Dang. Just add little small stuff that make it pop out, man. That's it. You ain't gotta add a lot. Just this little small piece right here made it just pop out that much more. Everybody was talking about that at the car show. Everybody was like, oh man, that look good. That look crazy. That look good. But yeah, man, I like it. So, yes, sir, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Like I said, y'all get in the comments, let me know if y'all would be interested in entering that giveaway of my 392 Dodge Charger Daytona Widebody. You understand me? But yeah, it's gonna be a wrap. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and brag. If you haven't liked this video, make sure you do that. But we're going up out 2021. Y'all know how I end all my videos. In the meantime, in between time to the next video, holla at your boy, Matt. Yes, sir.